Hello food lovers! Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV, your go-to channel for simple, flavorful, and restaurant-style Filipino recipes. Today, we're making sweet and sour pork, crispy golden pork cubes coated in a tangy, sweet, and slightly sour sauce, tossed with colorful vegetables for that perfect crunch and flavor. Stay tuned because I'll show you how to get your pork extra crispy and your sauce perfectly balanced, just like in your favorite Chinese Filipino restaurants. Let's cook! Ingredients: 1 kilogram pork, pork belly or pork shoulder, cut into small cubes. 2 eggs, beaten. 1 cup cornstarch. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Cooking oil, for frying. For the sweet and sour sauce: 1 cup pineapple juice. 1/2 cup ketchup. 1/2 teaspoon stevia powder or 6 tablespoons sugar. 4 tablespoons vinegar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons cornstarch plus 6 tablespoons water, slurry for thickening. Vegetables, optional but recommended. 1 large red bell pepper, diced. 1 large green bell pepper, diced. 2 carrots, sliced diagonally. 1 large onion, cut into chunks. Procedure: season the pork with salt and pepper. Mix with the beaten eggs. Coat evenly with cornstarch. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Fry the pork pieces until golden brown and crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove and drain on paper towels. Tip: for extra crispiness, double fry once, let rest for 5 minutes, then fry again for 2 minutes. Make the sauce. In a pan, combine pineapple juice, ketchup, stevia powder, vinegar, and soy sauce. Bring to a simmer until the sugar dissolves. Add the cornstarch slurry while stirring until the sauce thickens. Add the carrots first, they take longer to cook. Add bell peppers and onions and cook for 1 to 2 minutes only so they stay slightly crunchy. Add the fried pork into the sauce. Toss until all pieces are well coated. Turn off the heat immediately to keep the pork crispy. Serving tip: serve immediately while hot. Best paired with steamed rice or garlic rice. And there you have it, our sweet and sour pork, crispy, saucy, and packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, smash that like button, share it with your friends and family, and follow Sangkap's Arap TV for more easy, restaurant-style recipes you can make at home. Comment below which dish you want to see next. Your suggestion might be featured in our next video. Thank you for watching Sangkap's Arap TV, where every recipe is full of flavor. See you in the next video.